Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This morning, I would like to talk about a topic titled Unity in the Body of Christ. Unity in the Body of Christ, based on Ephesians chapter 4. Based on Ephesians chapter 4, each one of us is called to grow into the fullness of who we were created to be. God doesn't want us to stay the same. He wants us to grow in our faith, in our love, in our understanding, and in how we live each day. We are not just here to believe, we are here to become more kind, more forgiving, more care, and more like Christ in how we speak and act. But here's the truth: we don't grow alone, we grow together. We encourage each other, we support each other, we walk in unity. No matter what we are, let's walk together, side by side, for unity and peace. So don't stay where you are. Keep growing, keep walking forward, and let's grow together as one body, united in love, becoming more and more like Christ. May God bless you. Thank you.